In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up organized places for your messages. In both New Outlook or Outlook on the web, and in Classic Outlook on the desktop. This helps you keep your inbox clean and makes it easier to find what you need later. Let's start with New Outlook or Outlook on the web. Look to the left side of your screen for the folder pane. If you want a top-level folder that sits alongside your inbox and sent items, right-click your email address in that pane. If you want a folder inside an existing folder, right-click that specific folder instead. From the menu that appears, choose Create New Folder for a top-level location, or Create Subfolder if you are placing it under another folder. A text box will appear ready for you to name it. Type the folder name and press Enter. That's all you need to do. Now, let's cover Classic Outlook on the desktop. In the folder pane, right-click your account name if you want a top-level folder, or right-click any existing folder if you want a subfolder. Click New Folder. A dialog box will open. First, type the folder name. Next, select the folder type. If you are organizing email, choose Mail and Post items, which is the default for most people. Then choose the folder's location. You can place it under your account to make it top level, or choose a specific folder like the inbox if you want it nested there. When everything looks good, click OK or simply press Enter to create it. A couple of quick pointers to keep things tidy. If you set up a structure like year, then client, then project. Keep that pattern consistent so new folders fit naturally. After creating folders, you can start moving messages into them by dragging and dropping. Or by using rules if you already have them set up. And remember, you can right-click any folder later to rename, delete, or move it if your needs change. That's it. Thanks for watching.